Hey guys, okay. I'm going to show you what the process is like for when they're filling out the form and installing the extension. So try to have them have like no tabs opened, pretty much. Um, and it'll just make it easier. So you'll get the link that I gave you. Open up a new tab. They go to the link. So they should be on this page. Put in the information. Now you got to put in your URL. So they'll go to their Facebook. Go to your actual page, right? Copy that link. Now I'll close out of this. Put the URL here. And then they put their PayPal email, refer, agree, not a robot. Click here. Okay, so now it brings you to this page. Now they need to follow these instructions here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you're on your desktop. Click to download the Chrome extension here. Click the link we've sent you by email to ensure a successful setup. So first, you got to do this, number 2. So click number 2. It's going to open up a new tab. Add to Chrome. Add extension. Boom, that's it, done. It's been added to Chrome. So now it's right here, up here, see? So now you close out of this. Click the link we've sent you by email. So now go back into the email, right here. So thank you. First down the Chrome extension, already did that. So now number 2, click the second link. Wait for about 10 seconds. Open up the second link. Thank you for activating. Please follow these simple steps to collect your payment. So now it says, we're checking your ads. Please wait for 1 minute. After you've waited, okay, here. So now this pops up. Okay. So now, since I'm already logged in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out. See, so you refresh, log back in. Boom. Congratulations, you're approved. We'll be paying you an initial $10 via PayPal. The rest of these numbers I think are, okay, those are correct, okay. So now, go back to the email.